Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. I am your social studies teacher. Students, we are on chapter number 8, People and Work. This is third and last session of this chapter. In the previous two lectures of this chapter, we briefly discussed about the population of Pakistan and professions of the people of our country. Students, we also discussed about the services that government provide to the people. And in last lecture, we also read about the factories and machines and the people who work there. Now today we will learn about the industries of Pakistan. Let's start the students, open page number 62, industries, iron and steel. Students, first we will read about the iron and steel industry. Most of the heavy machines which are used in factories and many of the things we use every day are made from iron and steel. Students, we discussed in our last lecture that different machineries are used in factories. Some of the machineries are made in Pakistan while some import from the other countries. These machineries and different things which we use in our daily life are made of iron and steel. स्टूडेंट्स, बहुत सी ऐसी हैवी मशीनरीज हैं जो फैक्ट्री में यूज़ होती हैं और बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें जो हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ करते हैं वो आयरन और स्टील की बनी हुई होती हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन. However, as Pakistan does not have adequate source of iron ore, much of it is imported. The largest iron and steel plant in Pakistan is in Karachi. Iron and steel are also used in the construction industry. Students, Pakistan doesn't have sufficient sources of iron and steel. So we import much iron to meet our demand from the other countries. Pakistan's largest iron plant is found in Karachi. Iron and steel are also used in construction industry. स्टूडेंट्स, पाकिस्तान में आयरन के और स्टील के ज़खायर नाकाफ़ी हैं. मतलब जितनी पाकिस्तान में डिमांड है उतने यहाँ पर सोर्सेज नहीं हैं. इसलिए काफ़ी तादाद में आयरन जो है वो दूसरे मुल्कों से इंपोर्ट किया जाता है. पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा आयरन और स्टील प्लांट कराची में है जो कि पाकिस्तान स्टील मिल्स के नाम से है. और आयरन और स्टील जो है वो कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री में भी यूज़ किया जाता है. Let's move on. Engineering industries. Boilers, factory equipment, cranes, road rollers and other heavy goods are made in large industrial plants in Karachi, Hyderabad, Taxila, Lahore and a number of other places. Students, as you know that we use different machineries in factories. Some of these machineries like boilers, factory equipment, cranes, road rollers and other heavy goods are made in large industrial plants which are situated in Lahore, Karachi, Hyderabad and other places. Students, ये जो बड़े बड़े बॉयलर्स होते हैं या फैक्ट्री इक्विपमेंट्स, क्रेन्स, रोड रोलर्स और दूसरी बहुत सी हैवी अशिया ये बड़े बड़े इंडस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स में तैयार की जाती हैं. और ये लार्ज इंडस्ट्रियल प्लांट्स कराची, लाहौर, हैदराबाद, टेक्सला के अलावा दूसरे कुछ शहरों में भी मौजूद हैं. लेट्स मूव ऑन. सम इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स एंड टूल्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड मेनली इन कराची. कार्स, trucks and motorcycles are also assembled. There are smaller factories in the Punjab which make surgical instruments, cutlery and utensils. Students, some small instruments and tools are manufactured in Karachi, and except this, cars, trucks and motorcycles are also assembled in the large industrial plants. Students, there are many factories in Punjab which manufactured surgical instruments, cutlery and utensils. फैक्ट्रीज में यूज होने वाले बहुत सारे स्मॉल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स कराची में तैयार किए जाते हैं। इसके अलावा ऑटोमोबाइल्स यानी कार्स, ट्रक्स, मोटरसाइकिल्स वगैरह की असेंबलिंग भी की जाती है। पंजाब में ऐसी बहुत सी छोटी इंडस्ट्रीज हैं जहां पर सर्जिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, कटलरी और यूटेंसिल्स वगैरह तैयार किए जाते हैं। लेट्स मूव ऑन। फर्टिलाइजर्स, केमिकल्स एंड सीमेंट। Students, now we will learn about the fertilizer plants, chemical factories and cement factories. Okay. Fertilizers are used in agriculture. These are produced in Faisalabad, Daud Khel and Janawala. Students, fertilizer is a chemical or natural substance. It's added to soil or land to increase its fertility. Fertilizers are used in agriculture. They are produced in Faisalabad, Daud Khel and Janawala. Students, fertilizer खाद को कहते हैं और इसकी बहुत सी इकसाम होती हैं। ये कुदरती भी होती है और आर्टिफिशियल भी होती है और ये ज़मीन की फर्टिलिटी को इन्हेंस करने के लिए यूज़ की जाती है। ज़राई शोबे में इसका अहम किरदार होता है। पाकिस्तान में फैसलाबाद, दाऊद खेल और जड़ावाला में फर्टिलाइजर्स के बड़े प्लांट्स मौजूद हैं। लेट्स मूव ऑन। केमिकल्स आर नीडेड टू मेक सोप, पेपर, टेक्सटाइल्स एंड अदर गुड्स। वी हैव अ नंबर ऑफ केमिकल फैक्ट्रीज। Students, chemicals are used to make different things which we use in our daily life. For example, toothpaste, soap, paper, textile, shampoo, preservatives and many other things. There are many chemical factories found in Pakistan. Students, हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं जो कि केमिकल्स की बनी हुई होती हैं, जिनमें सोप, पेपर, टेक्सटाइल, शैम्पू, टूथपेस्ट और डिफरेंट प्रिजर्वेटिव जो हम फूड को ज़्यादा देर तक महफूज रखने के लिए प्रिजर्वेटिव यूज़ करते हैं, वो भी केमिकल्स के बने हुए होते हैं। ठीक है, ये सब चीज़ें केमिकल्स इन सब चीज़ों को तैयार करने के लिए केमिकल्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं और हमारे मुल्क में केमिकल्स की बहुत सारी फैक्ट्रीज हैं। Cement is produced in several factories in the country. Students, except these, cement is also produced in several factories in our country and it is mainly used in construction. Students, आप सब जानते हैं कि सीमेंट जो है वो कंस्ट्रक्शन का सबसे अहम पार्ट होता है और पाकिस्तान में ये बहुत सारी फैक्ट्रीज में तैयार किया जाता है, यानी यहाँ पर सीमेंट की बहुत सारी फैक्ट्रीज मौजूद हैं। Let's move on. Textiles. The biggest industry is that of cotton products. Yarn, textiles, canvas, toweling and clothing. There are over 70 factories that produce woolen goods. We also have a large art silk industry. Students, textile industry is the biggest industry of Pakistan. Different cotton products in different forms are produced here. For example, yarn, textiles, canvas, toweling and clothing industry. Students, all over Pakistan there are over 70 industries that produce woolen goods. We also have a large art silk industry. Students, our textile products export to different countries. पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी इंडस्ट्री टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री है। हमारी बहुत सारी कॉटन प्रोडक्ट्स जो हैं वो एक्सपोर्ट भी की जाती हैं और पाकिस्तानी कॉटन प्रोडक्ट्स की इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा डिमांड है, उनको बहुत पसंद किया जाता है। अच्छा, इन कॉटन इंडस्ट्री में यार्न इंडस्ट्री, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री, वुलन गुड्स, क्लोथिंग और दूसरी बहुत सी इंडस्ट्रीज शामिल हैं। पाकिस्तान में तकरीबन 70 से ज़ायद बड़ी फैक्ट्रीज हैं जो कि वुलन गुड्स तैयार करती हैं। इसके अलावा हमारे यहाँ एक बहुत बड़ी सिल्क इंडस्ट्री भी है। लेट्स मूव ऑन। अदर इंडस्ट्रीज। Pakistan produces sugar, vegetable ghee, cooking oil and soaps, etc. There are many small industries called cottage industries. Goods that are produced in these small units include sports goods, furniture, handicrafts, utensils, embroidery, pottery, footwear, carpets and clothes. Students, we have discussed big industries of Pakistan. Except all these, Pakistan produces sugar, vegetable ghee, cooking oil, soap, and many more things which we use in our daily life. There are also many small industries which are called cottage industries. Cottage industries are those in manufacturing units that run at homes. For example, carpenter, cobbler, craftsman, cotton weaver, and tailors. And except these, there are some small units for making sports goods, furniture, handicrafts, utensils, embroidery, pottery, footwear, carpets, and clothes. Students, पाकिस्तान में शुगर, घी, कुकिंग ऑयल, सोप और दूसरी बहुत सी डेली लाइफ में यूज़ होने वाली चीज़ें भी तैयार की जाती हैं। इसके अलावा यहाँ बहुत सी कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज़ यानी घरेलू सनतें भी हैं, जहाँ पर लोग छोटे पैमाने पर अपना बिजनेस करते हैं। स्मॉल इंडस्ट्रीज़ में जो अशिया तैयार की जाती हैं उनमें खेलों का सामान, फर्नीचर, हैंडीक्राफ्ट यानी दस्तकारी, हाथ से बनी हुई चीज़ें, बर्तन, कढ़ाई वाले ड्रेसेस और दूसरी बहुत सी चीज़ें मसलन जूते, कपड़े, कारपेट्स वगैरह शामिल हैं। Students, this chapter has completed. I hope that you have enjoyed this chapter and it has increased your knowledge. Now move towards remaining exercises of this chapter. Students, here are the fill in the blanks of this chapter. You have to do it in your social studies copy. Let's do it. Number 1, there are over dash million people in Pakistan. Yes, students, we read it in our first lecture of this chapter. Yes, good. 207 million people in Pakistan. Good. You will write 207 in the blank. Number 2, most of the people in Pakistan live in dash and dash in the countryside. Yes, students. Where do the most of the people in Pakistan live? Yes, good. Villages and small towns. Good. Number 3, the government has many departments to help the public. These are called dash. Yes, students. The government established many departments for the help of public. What are these called? Yes, good. Services. Number 4, Pakistan also dash specialized machinery from other countries. Yes, students, I told you some machineries we made in our country and some we, yes, import from other countries. Pakistan also import specialized machinery from other countries. Number 5, before a factory is set up, dash must plan and design a product. Yes, students, who made the plan? Who make the plans? Yes, scientists. Good. Let's move on. The largest iron and steel plant in Pakistan is in dash. Yes, students, we read it in today's lecture. Where is the largest iron and steel plant of Pakistan? Yes, Karachi. You will write in blank number 6, Karachi. Number 7, dash are used in agriculture. Yes, students, which is used in agriculture? We also read it in today's lecture. Yes, fertilizers. Number 8, dash are needed to make soap, paper, textiles and other goods. Yes, students, which are needed? Good. Chemicals. Chemicals are needed to make soap, paper, textiles, and other goods. Number 9, there are over dash factories that produce woolen goods. Yes, students. Good. 70 factories. Number 10, small industries are called dash. Yes, cottage industries. Students, these are the answers of fill in the blanks. Check your answers from this slide. Exercise B, it's on page number 64 of your book. Complete this word puzzle. Hint, all the words are names of professions. Students, we have to solve this puzzle by writing the name of professions, and you can see below the puzzle some more hints are given to help you. Number 1, makes things from wood. Yes, students, what is the name of the person who makes things from wood? Yes, carpenter. Good. Number 2, paints pictures. Yes, students, what is the professional name of the person who paints pictures? Good. Artist. Number 3, helps the sick to get better. Yes, students, who help us to get better when we are sick? Yes, doctor. Number 4, cooks in a restaurant. Yes, student, what is the professional name of the person who cook food in the restaurant? Yes, chef. Number 5, looks after people's teeth. Yes, dentist. Students, from 6 to 11, solve by your own self and do it in your book. Students, this chapter has completed. I hope all of you have done the 4 question answers in your copy which we did in the previous 2 sessions and exercise A in your book. Now first make index, then do fill in the blanks in your social studies copy and do exercise B on page number 64 in your book. Inshallah, we will start new chapter in the next session. Thank you. Till then, take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.